Kia ora, I'm Sheree Kinnear, and this is the COVID-19 news update for Wednesday. There were 15,918 new cases to report today. It comes as a new initiative aimed at improving access to rapid antigen testing to people in rural areas was also announced as cases continue to rise in various spots around the country. On hospitalisations, there are 817 people in hospital with the virus, including 24 in intensive care. The ministry, meanwhile, reported a further 14 COVID-related deaths. The deaths reported today included people who had died over the past 6 days, but their deaths were only recently notified to the Ministry of Health. 5 of these people were aged in their 70s, 6 were in their 80s, and 3 were in their 90s. While announcing today's numbers, COVID-19 Response Minister Chris Hipkins couldn't be drawn on Auckland's chances of moving from red to orange under the traffic light system, having already passed its Omicron peak. He said he was yet to have a firm leaning for Cabinet's review on Monday.
We do know that we're going to continue to see spikes in both case numbers and, sadly, the number of people passing away from COVID-19 over the coming weeks. That series of peaks and troughs is not unexpected, and one of the things that's really important to look at is the overall trend. And the good news for New Zealand at the moment is that the overall trend is heading in a downward direction. The 7-day rolling average is 14,969, which compared with just a week ago, last Wednesday, was 17,111.
Meanwhile, advertising campaigns were continuing to target 5 to 11-year-olds, as were grassroots programs to inform parents. Hipkins said providing vaccinations on site in schools made more sense in isolated communities where schools were less likely to be located right next to a vaccination site. He added he was awaiting advice on a booster for those aged 12 to 17. And that's the latest COVID-19 news. For more and to stay up to date, head to nzherald.co.nz. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the latest news from the New Zealand Herald. Click the subscribe button below or check out one of the videos here, and head over to nzherald.co.nz for more details on these stories and more.